we're live. Okay, I'm just gonna mark out the open. I wasn't really too active today. I wasn't really looking forward to trading with Powell speaking, and all I really did was foreshadow what we were going to do today for my analysis. So what I want to see going into the day, I made a video on this, but I put it in nightclub. But this order block right here, I want to see this hold up as change instead of delivery today. And on DXY, we had this new week opening. Yep, I want to see us go lower. So we were right down here. I wanted to see us push up higher on NQ. So I want to see the run higher on NQ, and what do we have to do? I mean, of course, retrace, manipulate higher. We need some more manipulation of this high. We gotta, what was it called? Return into this, I forgot the name for it. I don't know if I'm gonna call this liquidity void or anything, but obviously I just want to see us higher prices, but I still want to see the bodies close under here for the day. And, what was it? Yeah, it was just a retrace into a premium again. And that was my overall analysis. I just want to see us go higher, push lower off of that, continue lower for the rest of the day. I look a little bit at that. Yep, you can see in the weekly. But then I'll look for our intraday trades. I was watching the charts. It was kind of clean because I watched this fair value gap right down here form, and I was considering taking an entry off of it just because we had this order block right here, but we never tapped into consequent encroachment or into that, not even order block, it's just an up close candle. But we had this, and I wasn't really too ecstatic about taking an entry just to catch run to this high right here, so I just left it. I ignored it. So I just watched for the rest of the day. We ran up. I wanted to see how Powell did. Powell really didn't do anything, but we ended up pushing lower. What I did see though was this mitigation block right down here. This one was pretty well respected. I just wouldn't have taken it because we were inside of lunch. But if you were able to get an entry right before lunch, this would have been good, because you could have just thrown your stop above that fair value gap, target midnight open. Because when we were pushing lower, the only place we are going to target, the only place I saw as a valid draw on liquidity, was this midnight open over here. And I could show you the standard deviations. We rejected off of, what was it, 2 to 2.5 right here, and then we ran, tapped our fourth standard deviation, low hanging fruit. More conservative target would have probably been right here, because this is a way higher probability of getting hit. And then the next, if you want to hold micros, final take profit, it would probably be midnight open. It's a really quick recap. There's not really much that happened today. I wasn't actively looking for trades. I didn't really see anything. It was slow. This is slow resistance liquidity being built up. Then you can see how we took it out pretty fast, but run lower. That was really all that happened. I want to see what we do tomorrow, because I don't really think we're going to have a run up higher. It's possible, but I feel like we have room to push lower right now. Okay, how did you guys do today?
I couldn't find a trade.
That's good. NQ profits, took a W in London. You lost 200 in paper. You'll make it back, don't worry. Okay, you guys are. So it seems like a lot of people are up today. That's pretty good. Oof. Oh, you did? Yeah. Because I was really confident in the draw on liquidity. I also watched it with this one right down here. You can see this one. Tapped into it. We didn't really push below. We just filled it, pushed up higher. Tapped into it, didn't fully fill it, pushed up higher. Then tapped into this one, and we ran out that high. Yeah, it was one directional. A lot of people could call this, if you want to go in depth, this is a market maker sell model, because we have the original accumulation right here. We didn't get a reaccumulation, but we got our, what was it called, secondly redistribution right here, and we also got a repricing underneath the original accumulation, which led to this boom push up Sorani reversal for value up, run out this low. Might have been SMT, because this could have been a turtle soup, and we could be anticipating a run up higher right from here. But this was a market maker sell model, so. Okay, do we have any questions? This is probably going to be a really quick recap. Homework? Oof. I don't know, because what I usually do... Okay, video to watch. Let's go find you guys a video to watch as homework. I'm gonna hop on YouTube. I don't know if it's gonna be an ICT video. Here, let's look for ICT. Homework. Yeah, something that's really good. Hey, I'll check for a silver bullet at 2 p.m. I don't know what you guys need to learn. I might just put you some people onto the end series. Yeah, silver bullet time zone, we only have this for value gap, bridge for value gap. If this was in a premium, I guess it would have been decent. I don't think it would have given us enough profits though. Premium discount, tapped into it. Didn't have the constant encroachment, but if you entered off the quadrants, the 2-5, you would have gotten tagged in. Quadrant, right here. If you targeted low-hanging fruit, I guess this would have been a decent trade to take. But look, this is almost directly after the repricing underneath original accumulation. Look at these, what was it called? Lows right here. Run this out, push up higher. No change in state of delivery, but we do have a shift in market structure. I wouldn't really see anything that's good. Yeah, I'm using TradingView app. The N series, okay. I don't know how much people have seen the market maker models on ICT. This one, have you guys seen this one? Okay, you guys have seen that. Ooh, give me a second. Let me see if I can find one. It's gonna be one of these. It might be advanced theory and ICT breaker. Maybe. Okay, we're gonna do 2022 mentorship episode 39. That's what we are going to do. Yeah, you can watch all of it. I could get section on some parts, but I recommend watching all of it. But your guys' homework, I'll put it in Mantas channel. Rewatch this and take notes, okay? Okay, homework has been posted. I don't care where you're at. If you're in this recap, you have to watch this. You got this. Okay, I'll do that then. Yeah, episode 23. You might want to skip ahead, but trust me, you guys need to watch this. 1 hour, 20 minutes. I want to hear about this, okay? I want to see you guys at 3:30 or 4:30 New York time and tell me how the video was, okay? You could do it 1.25. Never go more than 1.25. Your brain's not gonna absorb it properly. Just 1.25, okay? It was nice to see now because of volatile seeking the straight. Oh, jeez, yeah. Today's sacrifice a lot of people's mental capital. Because I heard about a bunch of people, they kept trying to force interest to go higher with really high leverage just to catch a small move, and they kept blowing their accounts. That sacrifices and kills your mental capital. Jeez. Alright, I think we're good, right?